Momiji Tempura.
Mon-chan senbei. Yum. And I look at him.
Yes. Yeah, I don't see a resemblance in case you wanted to say anything like that. Because I have a feeling Mon-chan is very much delicious. Come with a car.
Don't come with a car, yeah. To be fair, would you want to put your car here?
Pancakes are so small they would honestly fit.
Check the echo.
Hello.
Hello.
Mon-chan, is that you? He's not here. Terrible. False advertising.
What does he say?
No using cell phones while walking. I sense a problem immediately. Also, no barbecue. No drone, no smoking, no swimming, no fishing. Nothing you can do.
Downhill adventure with Mr. Kyle. You. All the way down, 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 and down, and down. You wanna roll down?
Be careful.
Yes.
So, what do you think?
I see it and it's so beautiful.
Very
It's
big.
magnificent.
Nice, right?
Yes. And they have many food stands on the side and souvenir stands. Many people here today. Picture. So what do you think about this place?
Approved.
Approved?
But still, no Mon-chan.
Yes, no mountain.
The search for Mon-chan continues.
Yes, this is a very good place to come to during the hot, humid Japanese summer days. So hopefully we can try it out soon.
Ah, この手でパッと。あ、はい、ありがとう。あ Clean your hands first.
What is this? So this is Momiji Tempura.
And that means?
Basically leaf of Momiji tree fried in tempura batter. Never tried this before.
Okay, let's see. Try it out.
That was sweet but a lot of batter.
Little leaf and a lot of butter, huh?
Yeah, let's say 90% batter, 10% leaf.
So how would you rate this Momiji?
A solid 6.23 out of 10.
That's very specific.
Yeah, I know. You see Momiji and you're like, ah, It's like, does it have a special taste? But you're just eating batter that looks like a leaf. It's good though, because you know tempura batter is good, and it's a little bit sweet, but you don't taste anything else. A few moments later.
We're lucky enough to meet Mon-chan. Yes.
You know, all that time I was complaining about no Mon-chan. I buy these, and Mon-chan appears.
Maybe he likes to eat the Momiji Tempura.
Nah, it means you need to make a donation first. So, tip for people coming here: if you want to see a monkey, buy Momiji Tempura.